Hello guys, welcome back to As the Institute. So my dear guys, today I would like to talk about how to speak English. My dear guys, as you know that you have anybody topics you want to talk about as a power of imagination. You want to talk about what is the power of imagination. So firstly, you know little bit about this topic. Describe yourself. Describe front of the mirror. If you describe yourself, so you can improve your vocabulary. You can improve yourself. You can improve English language as well as my dear guys. I want to talk about this topic as power of imagination is very most important. Power of imagination is very necessary for human being. If we do power of imagination, so we can attract anybody things, because if we think in first thing in minds, then we can get off front of self. So firstly, power of imagination is very most important, because there are many persons become a richest billionaire and trillionaire with the help of power of imagination. Firstly, Aisha as an aeroplane first make in minds and then make on the earth. So firstly, power imagination, we can create anything with the help of a new thing. So power of imagination is very most important for the human being, because you want to do achieve success, you want to do grow in your life, you want to become adapt something new in your life. So firstly, do start power of imagination, because power of imagination as a tool, you can create something new with the help of power of imagination. Because there are many weak person, there are many great person use the power of imagination. They create the solution with the help of power of imagination. If you want to know about who am I, what is my birth, because you don't know what is this, what is answer of this question, so please do start the power of imagination. If you do start power of imagination, so you can get off this answer, because it's a very necessary. Because there are many person, they don't know what is my life, so they think in their minds, they do consideration, they do start to meditation, they start to empower of imagination to get out of the answer. Because if you want to get and something new with the help of the power of imagination, so please do start the power of imagination. It's a very necessary, because if you do start power of imagination, so you can heal your life, you can heal yourself, you can learn English language. Firstly, see yourself, because as you want to be, you want to give the speech on the stage, so please do start the power of imagination. I am speaking on the stage, so you, and if you prepare yourself with the help of power of imagination, so you can go to on the stage, so start the speech with effectively and confidently. It's a very most important for the human being. My dear, if you want to do something new in your life, if you want to do achieve something in your life, so firstly start to power of imagination. You want to become a great English speaker, effective trainer, so firstly do start the power of imagination. Because one day I will become as a leader, one day I will create as a history as you want in your life. So firstly do start the power of imagination. So please work on yourself, please work on your mindset. If you work on your self, if you work on your power of imagination, so you can become as you want, because it's a very most important power of imagination. Because there are many person attract new thing with the help of power of imagination, because power of imagination is very most important to grow the career. We can say grow the business, grow the startup. If you do and power of imagination, so you can enhance yourself, you can grow yourself, you can achieve the success. I hope you will be understand this video. Thanks for watching video guys. Jai Hind दोस्तों.